Welcome to my kitchen. Today on Cooking Show at Home, we're making a dish that's comforting, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible. Classic eggplant parmesan. The whole family will love this Italian favorite. You can find a list of ingredients on the screen and in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. Tender slices of eggplant are coated in breadcrumbs, baked until golden, and then layered with rich marinara sauce, fresh mozzarella, and a sprinkle of Parmigiano cheese. It's just like chicken Parmigiana, but vegetarian, with eggplant instead of chicken. You can prepare the eggplant two ways: fry it for a rich, traditional flavor, or bake it for a lighter, healthier version that uses less oil. I'll be baking mine today. Prepare your ingredients and let's start. Slice the eggplant into rounds no thicker than a ½ inch. This helps them bake properly and prevents a tough texture. Sprinkle with coarse salt and let sit for 10 minutes to draw out excess moisture. Pat dry with paper towels, wiping away the salt. If any slices are very large, cut them in half so they fit more neatly in the baking dish. Breading. Whisk an egg. Coat each slice in flour. It's easier to do this in a bag. Prepare breadcrumbs mixed with garlic powder. Line a baking rack with aluminum foil. Brush with olive oil to prevent sticking. Dip each slice into the whisked egg, press into the breadcrumb mixture, shake off excess, and place on the rack in a single layer. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. While the eggplant bakes, grate your Parmesan if it's not already grated. Assemble the dish. Spread a thin layer of marinara on the bottom of a large baking dish. Add a layer of baked eggplant. Top with mozzarella. And spoon on just enough marinara to lightly cover. Avoid too much so the breading stays crisp. Add some fresh basil and oregano on top of the mozzarella. Fresh is best. I grow mine in my backyard all season, but dried works too. And sprinkle with Parmesan. Repeat the layers: eggplant, mozzarella, marinara, Parmesan. Finish with extra Parmesan on top. Bake uncovered at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Enjoy this classic eggplant parmesan as a hearty main dish, or pair it with pasta or a crisp salad for the perfect Italian-inspired dinner. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more great cooking videos. Bye!